Welcome, everyone, to Ahuja Online Bookshop, where you discover the latest and most essential reads. Today, we unveil another remarkable addition to our collection. But before we delve into the details, if you're new to our channel, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video as much as possible. Now, let's begin. Introducing the UPPSC ARO 2024-2025 General Hindi Exam Preparation Book by Aditya Publications. This book is an indispensable resource tailored for individuals preparing for UPPSC, UPSSSC, ARO, and ARO exams. Let's take a closer look. Let's talk about its extensive coverage. Whether you're gearing up for prelims or the main exam, this book is designed for you. It meticulously provides solid knowledge of general Hindi, encompassing vocabulary and grammar, ensuring you're fully equipped to tackle any question. It's not just about principles, it's about practical application. With numerous model exam questions and detailed explanations, you'll not only grasp concepts but also learn how to effectively apply them during exams. If you aspire for excellence in UPPSC, UPSSSC, ARO, or ARO exams, this book is your ultimate companion. Whether you're a seasoned candidate looking to refine your skills or a newcomer stepping into the realm of competitive exams, this book caters to all levels of knowledge. Don't miss the golden opportunity to benefit from the UPPSC ARO 2024-2025 General Hindi Exam Preparation Book. Grab your copy today and embark on a journey towards success. Until next time, keep studying. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the subscribe button and enable notifications to receive updates on more insightful book reviews and exam preparation tips. Thank you, and stay tuned for our next video. Your feedback matters. Have you read this book or are you currently considering it? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comments section. Thank you all for joining us on our journey through competitive exams. Keep partnering with Ahuja Online Bookshop to strengthen your preparation and fulfill your dreams. You can find these invaluable books at Ahuja Online Bookshop, conveniently located near Gramin Bank, Rumakam, Nagar.